Welcome to solverfy.
So I have a graph of a line called L1, and that line has points C, M, and A on it. Point A is at -9, -1, and M is at -3, +2. In 3A, I want to find the gradient of L1. So gradient is just the slope of that line. I'm going to take the 2 points that I have, 2 minus -1, change in y, over -3 minus -9, change in x, to calculate that. It gives me 3 in my numerator and -3 plus 9, or 6, in my denominator. So my gradient, or my slope, is just 1/2. Now I'm told M is the midpoint of AC, and I want to find the coordinates of C. So to find the midpoint, you add the x coordinates together, divide by 2, add the y coordinates together, and divide by 2. Since I have x and y coordinates and the midpoint, I can make an equation. X minus 9 over 2 equals -3, and y minus 1 over 2 equals 2. Multiply both sides of the equation by 2. X minus 9 equals -6. Add 9 to both sides, so the x coordinate of C is +3. Multiply both sides by 2. Y minus 1 is 4, so the y coordinate is 5. So point C is located at 3, 5. Now I'm told that line 2 is perpendicular to line 1 and passes through the midpoint. I want to find an equation for L2. So this will be 3C. I'm going to fit that in over here. So if L2 is perpendicular, then the slope of L2 is just going to be the opposite reciprocal of the slope of L1, which was 1/2. So that's -2. It's passing through the midpoint. The midpoint is at -3, +2. So my equation is going to be y minus 2 equals -2 x plus 3. I'm going to clean that up. That's -2x minus 6. And I'm just going to bring everything over to one side. So that will give me, I'll subtract y and add 2. So I'm going to have -2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. I'm told that the point K, let me squeeze this in, the point N rather, has coordinates K4, and it's on L2. So I know what the slope is for L2. The slope is -2. And I know that another point on that line is the midpoint, -3, 2. So I'm going to use the slope formula, 2 minus 4, change in y, over change in x, -3 minus k, and I'm going to set that equal to -2 over 1. I'm going to clean this up just a little bit. 2 minus 4 is -2 over -3 minus k, and that's equal to -2 over 1. Now just cross multiply. So you have -2 times 1, which is -2, equals -2 times -3, that's +6, plus 2k. That gives me -8 equals 2k. K is equal to -4. And there you have all your answers.